Good morning everyone. In this video we will discuss the design procedure and formulas of design of tension members. So all the formulas, the design procedure is there in IS 800 2007 page 32. What are tension members? Tension members are linear members in which axial forces act to cause elongation. Such members can sustain load up to ultimate load, beyond which it may fail due to yielding of cross section, due to rupture of critical section and block shear. So these three types of strength is specified clearly with formulas in IS 800 2007. So all the problems we have to calculate these three types of strength, that is design strength due to yielding of cross section, design strength due to rupture, and design strength due to block shear. So first we have to calculate the design strength due to yielding of cross section, which is given in page number 32. So this is first formula. Design strength due to yielding of cross section is given by TDG is equal to AG Fi divided by gamma m naught, where AG is cross area, Fi is yield stress, gamma m naught is partial safety factor. So this is the formula. We have to calculate the design strength due to yielding of cross section. Next thing, we have to calculate design strength due to rupture. This is second formula. Design strength due to rupture of critical section, that is for plate section. He has given formula TDN is equal to 0.9 AN FU divided by gamma ml, where AN is net area, FU is ultimate stress, gamma ml is again partial safety factor. So design strength due to rupture of critical section is having formula for plate section and for angle section. So majority of your problems will be of plate section and angle section. So for plate section, design strength due to rupture is this one, and for angle section it is given in page number 33. That is for single angles or any angles, that is the design strength due to rupture is here. That is TDN is equal to 0.9 ANCFU divided by gamma ml plus beta AGO Fi divided by gamma m naught. So this is the formula for design strength due to rupture for angle section. Now what is this beta? So beta is given by 1.4, 0.076 W by T, Fi by Fu, Bs by Lc. Now what is W? So W is outstanding leg width. So he has given clearly in this diagram, figure C. So suppose if a angle section he has given is 90 into 60 into 10 mm. So this is outstanding leg. The leg which is free, that is outstanding leg, we call it as outstanding leg. The leg which is connected by bolt, we call it as connected leg. Okay, so the outstanding leg width is W. So 90 into 60 into 10, so the outstanding width, size of outstanding width leg is 90. So that you have to substitute as W, outstanding leg width, where W is outstanding leg width and T is thickness of angle section. 90 into 60 into 10 mm is thickness, and Fi by Fu, that is yield stress and ultimate stress, that will be given in the data. Next is Bs. What is Bs? Bs is given again in formula, that is W plus WL minus WT. So this is Bs formula, where W is outstanding leg size 90, WL. So this WL will be given in SP6 for different angles. It is for 90 into 60 into 10 mm. What is WL? That will be given in SP6. Please refer SP6 to calculate WL, and T is the thickness of plate. So substitute will get BS, and LC is center to center distance between the poles, that can be seen in the data. So that is beta, substitute it. So we will get the design strength due to rupture for angle sections. So design strength due to rupture has two formulas, for plate sections and for angle sections. Next, third formula is to find the design strength due to block shear. The block shear formula is here. There are two formulas, least of these two, the value has to be, least value has to be considered. The design strength due to block shear is given by TDG TDB is equal to AVG Fy divided by root 3 gamma m naught plus 0.9 ATN FU divided by gamma ml, or one more formula TDB, you can call it as TDB1 and TDB2. So 0.9 AVN FU divided by root 3 gamma ml plus ATG Fy divided by gamma m naught. All the terms are there here. AVG and AVN. So A is nothing but area, V is nothing but shear. That is area across shear, that is net area across shear along gross area along shear. V is nothing but shear, G is nothing but gross area. So AVN is nothing but net area across shear. Next ATG is gross area across T is tension, gross area across tension. Next ATN is nothing but net area across tension. So this AVG, AVN, ATG, ATN, this all the values after calculating has to be substituted here in this. So in the design problem we'll discuss how to calculate ATG, ATN, AVG, AVN. So all the formulas, Fy, gamma m naught, Fy will be given in data, partial safety factors is given. So all the things has to be substituted in design strength due to block shear. So after calculating design strength due to yielding of cross section, design strength due to rupture, for rupture you have two formulas, for plate section and for angle section. So if your data is given with plate section, use that formula. If you has given angle section, use this angle section formula. So this is second formula, that is design strength due to rupture, and third formula is design strength due to block shear. So the least of these two you will get one value. So out of these three, it is design strength due to yielding of cross section, design strength due to rupture of critical section, design strength due to block shear. Least of these three values will give you the ultimate tensile strength or tensile carrying capacity of a plate. So the least value has to be considered as the tensile carrying capacity of a plate section or angle section. So these are three important formulas in the design of tension members, that is there in IS 800 2007, page 32 and 33. So please refer these formulas. Thank you.